Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to have you here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm styling this custom unit that I made using 3 bundles and a frontal. This is how the hair came out after it was done in the right corner, and it was pretty long, but I decided to cut it. I do have other hair that is long, so I did want to try something different. I just wanted like a slight bob because it's kind of like bob season, so I wanted to do that. I did just do a simple cut. I didn't get a lot of segments recorded, unfortunately, because my camera, the memory on my camera, it was failing. And then about time I had switched out my memory card, I already was pretty much done with everything. And then on my phone, my storage is also shot as well. So there's very patchy. I don't have a lot of things that I did film, so I can't show you guys the frontal. I did have that recorded, and I also want to show you guys the bundles out of the package, and I could not find that footage as well. But the frontals came in a 16, 18, and a 20 inch, and I will link that down below where I got the bundles from. They're very soft. I love everything about the bundles. They don't shed, and I think I used almost all 3 of the bundles except for like just a little bit of the last one, which was a 16 inch, and the hair came out very full. The frontal that I have is a frontal that I used before to do one of my ponytails, and it's a HD frontal from B Zone on Amazon. So I'm gonna link in all the information down below to the hair so you guys can see it. But you guys see that the hair was very full and flowy, and it did curl, and it can hold a curl, and it also straightens very well. So here I'm just going to do my install, you guys. I'm doing a ball cap method. I have not done a ball cap method in forever, so I'm getting used to doing that again. I usually just put my cap on and then I just slip my wig on, but since this was an HD frontal, I did want that more of a scalp effect. That's pretty much it. So I'm just going to style it on camera. I'm going to show you guys how I do it from start to finish, so stay tuned. So if you're new here to my channel, if you don't already know the drill, I do have two little ones, and yes, I had to keep her company while I was doing my hair. I had to multitask doing everything. So here I am singing to her. She loves it. She's just so cute. She just wants to be held all the time. But this was so much of an easy install. Oh my God, it didn't take nothing because I already had this frontal. It didn't take anything to really style it. I already plucked it before, and it already had baby hairs before, so pretty much everything was already almost molded on this frontal, and so that made the install very, very simple and easy. And I just love how this frontal and the hair complement each other so well. Even though they're both from different vendors, they go together very, very well. So I recommend all of this hair, and if you're going to make a wig that's affordable, I would definitely get this hair. Now the frontal did go up on price. I believe when I did get this frontal, my grandma bought it for me, believe it or not. It was about, I believe, $100, and now when I went to back on Amazon to see the price, it was like $200, you guys. So I'm going to be on the lookout for more affordable HD frontals on Amazon, because that is very steep in price, and I don't want you guys to spend that much on a frontal on Amazon. So I'll keep on the lookout for that. Hi beautiful, so that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. She looks so beautiful and full. This is definitely the style that I was going for. Please don't forget to check out the shop. These bundles are $70 for all three, and that is a steal. So you guys, everything will be linked in my description box. Don't forget to like and subscribe, you guys, and as always, it's my pleasure. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.